Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso here with another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. Today we're talking about extended warranties for tech devices. Doesn't matter if you've got a smartphone, a tablet, or an iPhone. I like how that's upside down, but let's get that right side right. There we go. Or a computer, or home electronics, including appliances. Extended warranties are always being pushed towards you when you purchase these items. Now, the general consensus, am I going to say that right? General consensus, there we go, on these items are that they're a waste of money. But truth be told, that is the truth for the most part. But a lot of times it depends on what type of device we're talking about. So we're going to go through each item and talk about, is it worth the extended warranty or not? Because if it were up to most manufacturers out there, you'd be buying a warranty for just everything that you purchase. Sometimes when I buy electric razors or replacement razors for my Gillette or whatever it is, electric razor, they'll ask if I want the extended warranty. And of course, that doesn't make any sense when you're talking about an item that's going to last around a month. So let's get to it and talk about warranty as far as your electronic devices are concerned. Now, great interesting fact. Most of your items are automatically under manufacturer's warranty for 1 year. That's right. Now, if you are buying a new item, chances are that item is going to be warranted for a year. Doesn't matter if it's a printer, monitor, computer, TV, appliance, you name it. The manufacturer is going to warranty it for 1 year for mechanical breakdown, meaning that if something happens to your device, whether it be a computer or your refrigerator, they're going to fix it for no charge. So don't panic if you just bought something and it died. Chances are it's got a warranty on it, and you can capitalize on that by calling the manufacturer to get a replacement. But the challenge with that is if you drop it or break it, it's not going to cover the warranty unless you get an extended warranty or coverage for those items. And we'll talk about that in a little bit, because I know there's some of you out there, when it comes to your devices, you're a little clumsy and you may drop it. Luckily, I've got an OtterBox and it's just going on the desk, so no harm, no foul. But if you drop your smartphone in the toilet or ruin another tech device, could be out of a lot of money. And that's what people want to avoid when it comes to extended warranties, is to have that stuff covered. But you've got to read the fine print and you've got to watch what type of warranties are out there. So let's get started and talk about computers. So let's say you have a laptop or a desktop computer. It's going to kind of vary, even though there's an Apple computer on there, on the type of warranty you get. Now, again, under normal circumstances, if those fail, you can call any of those manufacturers and get your device covered. It includes sometimes if Windows or Mac OS doesn't load right, the device isn't working, then they're going to fix it for you. But on the Windows side, and notice I say Windows because some people say PC, Mac. They're all PCs, people. They're all personal computers. So you got Apple and you got Microsoft. Or you got Windows, because it could come from HP, Dell, or Lenovo. But again, let's just talk about Windows computers. So Windows computers are manufactured by Dell, HP, and Lenovo, and sometimes Microsoft if you have a Surface. So again, 1 year warranty on those devices if something fails, like the motherboard, or for some reason it won't connect to Wi-Fi, or the screen won't come on not because you dropped it in water or you smashed it. It's because it won't come on, period. So Windows computer warranties work a little different. Under most circumstances, if you have your standard warranty with HP, Dell, or Lenovo, they are going to want you to ship that computer back to them to get fixed. Now, if you're a small business and a laptop is your only option, or you only have a desktop, may not be such a viable option, which is why Dell, even with their standard warranty and extended warranty, has probably one of the best after the purchase warranties out there on the market. Because Dell, in all their infinite wisdom, will send a technician out to your location if you get the advanced warranty or if you purchased a business class computer. So Dell has several lines of computers, but some of them are considered home and some of them are classified as business. So if you get like a Dell Latitude, which is their business class, you call for support, they're sending someone out to your location no matter where you are located. And I think that's globally, which is something that you should take in consideration if you're purchasing a laptop for business. Because if you have a laptop or even a desktop computer for business and it's your only one, then the Dell extended warranty is going to work great for you because you don't have to go anywhere. They're sending someone to you. Now with HP and Lenovo, under most circumstances, you're going to have to ship that computer back. And in most circumstances, desktop or laptop, you're looking at a 7-day period to get that item repaired. Now, some of you are probably looking at like one of the big box stores as far as their extended warranties are concerned. Now, again, keep in mind that with these warranties, you may not necessarily have to ship it out. You may have to take it into a store where it may actually sit on the shelf for about a week, or they actually send it out to one of their authorized repair centers to fix it. So keep this in mind when you're looking to get a new Windows device and how you're going to go through the process of having it replaced if something massive happens to it. Now, as far as getting big box warranty on accidental drops, sometimes the price of repair is equal to the warranty. So you just need to treat your items like a baby. And if you do break it, then just pay to have it fixed, because in the end, it may be actually cheaper than purchasing the extended warranty. Stuff like cracked screens, which can occur under most circumstances, aren't covered under the warranty. So you have to check and make sure that you get protective cases, or like with your tablet and your computer and your smartphone, so that way you're not having to pay for repair costs on these items. Now, since I just showed an iPhone, I think it's to note that if you get Apple Care for your devices, cracked phones on iPhones and iPads are covered under Apple Care. Now, Apple Care is usually only good for a 3-year period, because under most circumstances with tech devices, whether it be Windows or Mac, smartphone or tablet, they're only going to really support them for 5 years. That's the period where it's considered end of life for any device. So that's why Apple Care ends at 3. And with Dell, Lenovo, and HP, you're probably looking at 5 years is the longest they'll extend their warranties out. Now, it's the same thing with Samsung Care as far as devices are concerned. You get a Samsung device, watch, or phone, then Samsung Care gives you an extended warranty which will cover most mechanical and accidental drops with their service. But again, you really have to take a look and see what is going on as far as what is covered under the warranty, especially if you purchase it from a big box store, because a lot of them just want you to buy the extended warranty, not letting you know that you may be without your device for several weeks if you send it in for repair. So always read the fine print on every device to verify if that is going to work for you. Now, the next item we're going to talk about are home appliances, which most of them are smart appliances now. And the question of the century is, do you get the extended warranty on home appliances? And the answer is hell yes. Why? Most home appliances are only guaranteed or will only last for about 5 years. That is a very short amount of time compared to our parents and grandparents' time for appliances, where you're looking at an upwards of 20 years for a home appliances to go out. So again, always read the fine print on the extended warranty, but understand too that home appliances come with a 1 year warranty. So if something happens within the warranty period, you're covered. But after the warranty period, most appliances are probably going to fail. So that's where an extended warranty would be worth the money. Because, like most computer devices, electronic home appliances kind of have that same short lifespan when it comes to end of life. So, for example, we had a washing machine, Samsung, as a matter of fact, that bit the dust after the warranty period. Luckily, we had the extended warranty, and it covered what would have been the price of a new washing machine to repair. So, refrigerators, vacuums, all that stuff, yes, get the extended warranty regardless at the box store, because it will save you money down the road. And I know that's a little different as far as extended warranties on tech devices, but appliance repair is pretty expensive. So extended warranty will definitely help save the repair on your home appliances. Now, what about automobiles? Cars, trucks, SUVs, all that stuff. Should you get the extended warranty? It's kind of a waffle effect on that, because like home appliances, cars they last as far as engines are concerned, but there's a lot of chintzy stuff that can go wrong with your automobile. For example, 2018 Jeep that I have, the power steering went out, as well as the water pump at like 70,000 miles. Ugh. You would think under most circumstances a car would last longer than that. And the car engine does, but little stuff like that doesn't. So should you get an extended warranty on your car? That depends on the model of the car. I'm not going to get into the whole domestic versus import debate, but check out on the internet to see what your rate is as far as making sure that you buy a vehicle that's going to last, or you don't have to get the extended warranty. Now, what about smart TVs? And you're probably putting this in the category with monitors and all that other stuff. But again, smart TVs can be a little expensive. You've got 1 year before something bad happens. Now, we've only had one smart TV give out within the warranty period. In fact, we had a smart TV fail, not come on, like within 2 weeks of purchase. So my wife panicked, but I was like, hey, chill out. We've got this. So I called the manufacturer. Sure enough, they sent a technician on site to look at it. Technician took the TV with him, still was not able to repair it. So we got a brand new TV, which lasted forever until I broke it, which obviously we've had it so long it wasn't even worth repairing. So it probably, depending on the model of the TV, I say if you go with Samsung, you don't have to worry about it because they make the best TVs on the planet. Other brands of TVs, you may have to get that extended warranty. But if you get an extended warranty, and I will say this, see that you can get one through the manufacturer as opposed to going through a big box store. Your manufacturer extended warranties are going to be more extensive, covering more repairs and making sure that you're getting manufacturer repair as opposed to some shop that is like an authorized dealer. Other things that you can look at as far as warranty is concerned are your credit cards. Believe it or not, a lot of credit card companies will offer warranty if you purchase through them. I know American Express is one of them. So keep that in mind before you buy that extended warranty. Make that purchase on a credit card and ask your credit card company if they're going to warranty that device. Chances are they may for up to an additional year of the manufacturer's warranty. That sounds good, doesn't it? It does, but you do have to do your homework again to verify what types of things are covered under that extended warranty. if you're in the area of a Costco, Costco does an excellent job as far as warranting their stuff. So consider getting a Costco membership if there's one in your area and verifying what they will cover as far as accidental and incidental coverage to your tech devices if problems do occur. So keep that in mind when it comes to those extended warranties. Sometimes you need them, sometimes you don't need them, but always do your research to verify that if you get an extended warranty, that it's going to cover everything that you need it to cover, or if it's even worth getting an extended warranty on your devices. So with that said, if you got any comments or questions, leave them in the comments section below. We'd love to get into the discussion with you about extended warranties, if you should or shouldn't get them, because I know a lot of you have strong feelings about extended warranties. I know I did. I was against them until a couple of appliances went out and said, well, maybe we need to get the extended warranty. So I don't know why the outro screen came out. I'm not done with you guys yet. It's kind of embarrassing. The screen that I was trying to bring up was this one. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, share it with your friends, and click the bell to subscribe to if you're watching this on YouTube, so that you can keep track of other videos like this of wonderful tech tips. So now we are at the end and I can bring the outro screen up, but as always, I love technology. I've read all the manuals and I'm serious about making technology fun, safe, and easy to use for everyone. So take care of yourself and do many things to make you smile. Here comes the outro screen. Thanks for watching.